Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add or how to set a shuffle picture for your lock screen. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the lock screen. I already have my lock screen here, and please hold the screen until the collection of the lock screen of your iPhone is up here. And now here is the collection of your lock screen, and after that please go add more. Either you want to click plus or go into the right side here by click plus here, and then after that go into the photo shuffles. And now we can adjusting the shuffle frequency. Either you want to choose it daily, hourly, means that it will change every hour. Unlock, so it will change when you lock your phone and open it again. Or untap, it means that it will change when you tap the screen. Let's do this. And after that, please choose which photos that you want to add by click select photos manually. Go into the album, and now you can choose which photo that you want to set for your lock screen. For me, I want to do these 3 photos and just click add. You can also adjusting the size of the lock screen or the picture. If you don't want, just click add. And now you can confirm either you want to set as well wallpaper pair or just customize the home screen separately with the lock screen. For me, I want to make it easy by select it as a pair, and it's done. And how, let's try it. Let's tap. Okay, when we tap it, it's just change into different picture. That's how the way you change your lock